Most guys believe they need to impress women with money, looks, or charm. But what if I told you the real secret to attraction lies in mastering hidden psychological triggers, subtle weaknesses women don't even realize they have? These are the keys to unlocking unshakable confidence and magnetic presence. Today we're diving into 11 hidden female psychological triggers that, once you understand them, will transform how you connect with women forever. Let's get started. 1. The magnetism of emotional stability. Women are deeply emotional beings, and their decisions in relationships are often guided by feelings. One of their biggest hidden weaknesses, an unshakable craving for emotional stability. A woman doesn't just want fireworks or fleeting excitement. She needs to feel secure. She's drawn to men who radiate calm even in chaos. A guy who's moody, overly reactive, or emotionally dependent will push her away fast. Why? It signals fragility. Women want a man who's a rock, someone who makes them feel safe no matter the storm. Here's how you master this. Stay composed when she's upset. Don't complain or panic when life gets tough. Handle challenges with quiet strength. Be the man who's emotionally unshaken, and she'll gravitate toward you without even knowing why. A Stoic mindset isn't just attractive, it's magnetic. 2. The allure of scarcity. Here's a universal truth. People want what's rare. Diamonds, luxury cars, limited edition anything. Scarcity drives desire. Women are no different when it comes to attraction, a hidden weakness. They're drawn to men who aren't fully attainable. If you're too available, too eager, or too obvious, you lose value in her eyes. But a man who maintains a sense of mystery, who isn't always at her beck and call, sparks her curiosity and desire. How do you use this? Don't always be available. Have your own life goals, passions, and priorities. Reveal yourself slowly, letting real her discover you over time. Keep a part of yourself just out of reach, and she'll chase to close the gap. It's not about playing games, it's about valuing yourself. 3. The power of a commanding voice and presence. Studies confirm it. A deep, controlled voice and strong presence are irresistible to women. It's not just about sounding good, it's evolutionary. A deep voice signals confidence, dominance, and leadership. Qualities women are wired to seek, but presence goes beyond your voice. It's how you carry yourself, how you move, how you command attention without trying. To master this, stand tall, move with purpose, and speak deliberately. Avoid nervous habits like fidgeting or rushing your words. Maintain steady eye contact. A man with a strong presence doesn't need to shout for attention. His energy speaks before he does. Women will feel your strength without you saying a word. 4. The strength to walk away. Want to trigger a woman's deepest fear? Walk away like you don't need her. One of her greatest psychological weaknesses is her reaction to loss. People value what they're afraid of losing. And women are no exception. Most guys do the opposite. They chase, plead, or over-explain when a woman pulls away that screams desperation, and it kills attraction. A man who walks away with confidence says, "I don't need you to validate me. I have options." That mindset is irresistible. If she disrespects you or plays games, don't beg, walk. Show her your self-respect and she'll value you more. The rule is simple. Be willing to leave and you'll never have to chase. 5. The irresistible pull of purpose. A woman's ultimate weakness isn't your looks or your bank account. It's your purpose. A man with a clear mission, whether it's building a business, mastering a skill, or chasing a dream, is magnetic. Purpose signals focus, discipline, and independence. Qualities women can't resist. The mistake most guys make, they make a woman their entire world. That's a trap. Women don't want to be your only focus. They want to join a man who's already on a mission. So ask yourself, what are you building? What drives you? A man who prioritizes his vision over fleeting validation is the man women chase. 6. The art of controlled vulnerability. Vulnerability is a double-edged sword. Too much and you seem weak. Too little and you seem cold. Women are drawn to men who master this balance, a hidden trigger that makes you unforgettable. They want a man who can connect emotionally but never loses his strength. The key, share selectively. Open up about struggles after you've overcome them. Reveal personal details slowly on your terms. Never share, complain, or seek validation. A man who shows vulnerability with control creates a powerful dynamic. She feels special when you open up, but your strength remains unshaken. 7. Passing her subconscious tests. Women test men constantly, not because they're manipulative, but because it's how they gauge strength. These tests are subtle. She might challenge your opinions, act distant, or create small conflicts to see how you react. If you get defensive, emotional, or chase her approval, you fail. The secret? Stay calm and unshaken. If she challenges you, respond with confidence, not defensiveness. If she pulls away, let her come back. Passing her test proves you're the real deal. And here's the kicker. If she's testing you, it means she's interested. Don't fail the exam. 8. Confidence in rejection. Most guys fear rejection, but the few who embrace it become untouchable. Women are drawn to men who handle rejection like it's nothing. Why? It signals unshakable self-worth. If a woman turns you down, don't sulk, smile. Say your loss, have a great day, and move on. Rejection only stings if you're attached to her approval. A confident man knows his value and doesn't let shake him. That kind of confidence flips the script. Suddenly, she's the one chasing you. 9. The power of being hard to read. If a woman can predict your every move, she stops wondering. And when she stops wondering, she stops chasing. Women are drawn to men who keep them guessing. This doesn't mean playing games. It means maintaining an air of mystery. Don't always text back instantly. Don't spill your feelings too soon. Keep your emotions in check and reveal yourself gradually. A man who's unpredictable in a calm, confident way keeps her imagination alive. Curiosity fuels desire. Stay a puzzle she wants to solve. 10. Mastering your desires. The ultimate psychological trigger. A man who controls his desires. Most guys are ruled by lust, validation, or instant gratification. But a man who masters himself, who chooses wisely, sets standards, and prioritizes his purpose over fleeting pleasure, is irresistible. Women can't resist a man who doesn't chase mindlessly. When you show discipline and walk away from temptation, you signal strength. The moment you stop chasing women, they start chasing you. Self-control is power. 11. The quiet power of genuine authenticity. Here's the bonus trigger. Women are drawn to men who are unapologetically themselves. Authenticity is rare in a world full of facades. A man who owns his values, speaks his truth, and lives by his principles without bending to please others creates a gravitational pull. This isn't about being loud or flashy. It's about quiet confidence in who you are. Don't change your opinions to match hers. Don't hide your quirks or passions. When you live authentically, you give her permission to do the same, creating a deeper connection. Authenticity is the ultimate Stoic strength. Own it. There you have all 11 hidden psychological triggers that will change how you approach attraction forever. Master these and you won't just attract women, you'll become the kind of man they can't stop thinking about. If you found value in this, don't just watch, join the Stoic thinking movement. Hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and become part of a community dedicated to mastering life, relationships, and unshakable confidence. Let's build a stronger, wiser you together. Until next time, stay stoic, stay grounded, and never chase.